you machining intelligently? Cut V-Grip new multifunctional V-shape inserts. ISCAR is proud to present Cut V-Grip, its new line of multifunctional V-shape inserts designed for external turning, profiling, and chamfering applications. ISCAR's engineers have developed these inserts to offer versatility and efficiency in external machining operations. With the ability to be used for both right and left-hand machining, these inserts are suitable for a wide range of applications. The main features of these Cut V-Grip inserts include the capability to perform external front and back turning, chamfering, and profiling operations. They can be mounted on modified full insert support cut grip holders or standard M-type holders, making them compatible with your existing tooling setup. One of the standout features of Cut V-Grip inserts is their unique chipformer design, specifically engineered for excellent chip control on diverse materials. This ensures optimal chip evacuation and reduces the risk of chip buildup, leading to improved surface finish and enhanced tool life. Another advantage of these inserts is their ability to enter narrow machining areas where V-type EZO inserts cannot be used. This allows for greater flexibility and access in challenging machining operations. Cut V-Grip inserts are designated as GIVR or L, indicating their V-shaped design and compatibility with both right and left-hand machining. Additionally, all inserts in this line are available in grade IC 808, known for its exceptional performance and durability. ISCAR's new line of Cut V-Grip multifunctional V-shaped inserts is set to revolutionize external machining operations, offering increased productivity, improved chip control, and enhanced tool life. Experience the difference with ISCAR's Cut V-Grip, the new line of multifunctional V-shape inserts, innovative inserts today.